Hello everyone, welcome to our video. I'm Edith from KINKONG. Our team specializes in providing professional automotive solutions. Today we are going to take you on an extended exploration of the weather pack connector. Widely used in automotive applications as the shield against moisture, dust, and dirt. Weather pack connectors can withstand exposure to extreme temperatures, moisture, harsh engine compartment fluids, and chemicals, also making them ideal for industrial, heavy equipment and marine applications. With its connect body, male and female terminals, and waterproof seals, the weather pack connector ensures a secure and watertight connection crucial for vehicles exposed to the elements. See, the self-lubricating silicone on the connector has multiple ribs. It can prevent moisture and other contaminants from entering the connector and causing terminal corrosion. Now, our engineer will show you how to install the connector. Step 1. The striped wires through the lubricable seals. Step 2. The terminal crimping on the wire, and pull test to make sure that the terminals are crimped well. Step 3. Insert the female terminals to the female connector. Step 4. Insert the female terminals to the male connector. Step 5. Insert the female connector to the male connector. The positive lock clicks when the two halves of the connector are fully engaged and can be released by hand to disconnect. Easy to install, saving your time and effort. Okay, now let's see their parameter. So, what are the specific applications of this series of connectors? Overall, the weather pack connector is suitable for a variety of automotive and vehicle-related scenarios that require high water resistance, high reliability, and fast connectivity. If you want to know more information, please contact us or search on our website below. Connection, make it work. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.